We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica, seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so we're at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Anytime before we start a video, we always look at your thumbnail. And if you continue, not only just listening, but in your thumbnail, you will learn because there's more information that's there. Sometimes we might delve into it, but we'll just leave it there, especially for those who can read. The ones who cannot read, we'll just go through the entire thing then, just to make, because as we said before, this is not an entertainment channel. Yes, and to all of you who have, send your your voice note and your voice messages telling us that, calling us prophet, would not even, we don't want to be put on that pedestal, that we are a prophet. We're just a person, we are visionary. Born and raised in a PMP community, PMP yard, everything. Nobody can tell me nothing about the PMP and the operation. So when I told the people that the PMP is a criminal organization, and them see it for themselves now and then say, boy, you're a prophet. I'm a prophet. It's just something that I have seen throughout the years. And that's how life is. So for those who used to hate me because I used to say that I know the ones who apologizes for saying that I accept your apologies. Yeah. I'm not gonna be arrogant, and you understand. So anyway, as you look at your thumbnail, so we have credible information, and over here we don't blow on or blow hot here. So we're asking you, do you think that the Jamaica Young Police Channel should share the name of a man who was paid to kill Vybz Kartel and he's in Jamaica? When we say he's in Jamaica, he is in Jamaica. Yeah, this is a man that fly in a Jamaica. Yeah, we kill him. Paid and everything. So we just ask you as the audience members, and to tell us. Some people, the reason why we have to reveal the information, there's so many things, so many facets to it. Reason being, that Vybz Kartel is responsible for killing over 100 people. Yeah, man, 100 people. We know that he was friends with one of our cousins. When we say, you understand, John Wayne. Him know John, so when him hear, I let the name there. You understand? Yeah, John Wayne. Kunda used to live on our party. Kunda come up Waterford long after we lived there and everything there. That Miss G's son, was Gloria, police killed him. Kartel was friend too. So we know him, and we are them. Hey, look, we don't like criminal. Because we never like John Wayne. Yeah, as much as him our cousin and them thing there. When the police them will hold him when he was wanted, when we that unspear, and then bring him in. And when I came into the office, because I'm a family, it no matter if him could have put him head in him lap or hide him head from me see me know him. And when I come in at the office and I see him, and I say, Wayne, where are you? Who bring you come here? And the only thing I say, yeah man, I know say if you to catch me, that kill me. I don't say nothing. I didn't say anything. Me not like criminal. I don't like people who kill people and them things. That are not tough guy business, that are not badness, that are just depraved mind behavior. That are just me. Anyway, in take Jonah, yeah man, we saw reach to him. In take same January and in take Jonah, carry Jonah. Yeah man, we know Jonah from where I look at you. Jonah a bright boy, you know. Go Casey. I don't know. He might only one in a film family love criminality. I don't know, maybe because he's a different father. But all of him siblings them totally different. Them sister Karen, you have Mark, Courtney, Bruce, all of them. Because we them grew up on them thing there. Totally different. Junior, quiet and assuming. I don't know what this boy is so bright. What is so fascinating about being a criminal? They never next used to live from a pathway too. One black youth, he used to go JC, me and Curtis. He used to power with Kunda too, you know. But the thing is that although much as them are criminal and them thing, but I'm not just criminal, you know. Anytime I was there on my pathway and them thing, them no walk near my yard. Cause them know save me see them with no gun, them know it I go. Cause you understand. And I like now where a guy say boy them a kill a policeman, mother or father. A guy knows if him do that and them thing there. He knows say I open the gate of hell. Cause me a man, me no play them way there. Nobody a waterfall. Them know say me no ramp with people. Period. Cause them always say, oh boy, the one Chris this, that. Me no like criminal. Period. So the reason why me not go review, I just ask the audience, them, for, you people that my Patreon and all of them, come talk with them. And between me and you, I tell you, say, hey, you see our life funny. And people I say, look here. You know, as them say, the truth can never be wrong, even if no one hears it. I just saw it go. We are a Jamaica young police and we always tell you the truth. We're not going to hide it, sugarcoat it or anything like that. So, this is what somebody say, you know, say, Mr. Porter, not to punish evil is equivalent to authorizing it. So I ask the person, say, all right, I understand what it mean, but what you mean in your thinking when you say that? Them say, well, when you know say somebody evil and you are trying to protect them or save their life, you are authorizing it. So, me have a conscience and all of these things. So I say, all right, we're there, conversing. As we tell you, people have people in a Patreon, certain people, them have access to yours truly, so we can have a conversation anytime. So that was a conversation. So we can tell you that, the person who, and I mean, I tell Vybz Kartel, but I go say, him know the person or him don't know the person, but the person is in Jamaica. Yes, send him straight to the departure lounge, whether or not you want to believe it. When you're involved in a killing of so many people, you understand that's an end game for you. So moving on. So it's an in-depth discussion. So this is it now. The Jamaica Young Police Channel has become a respected platform for its boldness in addressing crime. Yes, and corruption, societal issues that plague Jamaica. It has garnered a reputation that for fearlessly exposing matters that mainstream media might shy away. Them afraid, because even right now, that we have been, the series that we have been doing about the money laundering case, them not going to touch that them thing there. We see them finally attack. Echo our language, and we posted from last week, said Baby Trump a threat to Jamaica. Yeah man, we see them them echo it and them thing, but them slow to the dance. We did a long time and dance and left the dance and them thing there. So recently a provocative question has emerged. Should the channel reveal the identity of the man allegedly paid to assassinate Vybz Kartel and who is said to be in Jamaica? Person really residing at Jamaican, but they're here on the ground. So this topic is a sensitive one as it delves into the intersection of crime, celebrity and public safety. It raises critical, ethical, legal and societal considerations that must be weighed carefully before making such a disclosure. That's why we are making it public. That's why we are come out and address the rural. You understand? So this can have legal and ethical consideration. So revealing the name of an individual who is allegedly involved in a plot to kill someone, particularly a high-profile figure like Vybz Kartel, could have a serious legal repercussions. In Jamaica, where defamation laws exist, publicly accusing someone of a crime without concrete evidence can lead to lawsuits or even criminal charges. The Jamaica Young Police Channel would need to ensure that any information shared is backed by verified evidence and that the legal avenues has been explored before broadcasting such claim. Yeah. So beyond legality, there's a question of ethics. Even if the information is accurate, is it possible to release this information to the public? So that's why we ask you guys. Accusing someone of plotting murder can put their life in danger, especially in Jamaica's violent landscape, where vigilante justice can occur swiftly. The channel must consider whether revealing this name would contribute to justice or it would escalate tension and lead to violence. Alright, so the reason why we don't release the name on them, if you remember when same Vybz Kartel, Vybz Kartel, Popcorn, Chronic Law, yeah man. There are 3 men who were supposed to kill Isaiah Leng. That time man, the farmer, name brand police officer. And we had revealed it. We had revealed the plot by same Vybz Kartel from prison when him that GP. Because Popcorn don't want them to kill him. Because Vybz Kartel and Black Man want to kill Popcorn. Popcorn know why they want to kill him. We can just give him a hint and say the driver's license. Yeah, which driver's license we are talking about Popcorn. You we are talking. You know you're going to that's why we tell us a special branch is best intelligence agency of Jamaica. You understand? And most people do not know the reason why Black Man and Vybz Kartel want to kill you. Say you're informer. But we know. So that's why we just talk and say the driver's license. And when I'm going to further, I go in depth into that. Yes. So so we on to you long time in a Popcorn. So after we had released the video and less than 2 weeks after that, the men that were supposed to kill Isaiah Leng, them execute them. Say, one of them leaked the information and so them leaked them. So then now people are saying, boy, why them kill them? Because we shouldn't broadcast. But these are the men who were supposed to kill Isaiah Leng. What was it though? We can't. We have to protect Zai. The man, as we tell you when we are youth to grow and them thing, the man is to keep our community safe. We in a concrete jungle and them thing there. The man never used to harass we and all them thing there, and even our ends. The man not even patrol the community because gunmen used to live in a fear of losing them lives. Because one thing with them man, when the man come like Navy SEAL. Trust me. You don't see a whole heap of gunshot and them thing there, and then you hear whether 2 or 3 or 4 man liquid and them thing there, just so it go. Gunman them and people say, yeah, them desert them for go on because a wicked boy them. So I just saw it go. So moving on, so some people are saying, boy, the public has a right to know about criminal activities that affect their safety, especially when it involves high-profile figures like Vybz Kartel, whose influence extends deeply into Jamaican culture. So if someone is being paid to carry out an assassination, it points to an ongoing culture of violence and corruption that the public needs to be aware of. So some people say, better him take care of himself. When I go tell him nothing, when I give him no advice. Although the other day, some people say, boy, you're kind of nice and them thing, because you say, boy, the channel is all about saving life and all that. Yes, that is true. But some life not worth saving. Some people say, boy, I believe in a redemption. Boy, when a man kill over 100 people still, we are not God still, but hey, boy, that's rough. Especially when you hear some of my family member them cry. So if someone is paid to carry out an assassination, it points to the ongoing culture. So however, the primary responsibility of media outlets or influencers like the Jamaica Young Police Channel is not just to inform, but also to ensure that they do inadvertently put innocent lives at risk. In this case, If the alleged individual has not been arrested or formally charged, releasing their name could lead to unlawful reprisals, potentially causing more harm than good. Public safety must always be a priority, even over the dissemination of sensational information. Alright, so the reason why, as we said, we just ask the audience, how we believe in a democracy, you understand what I'm saying? So one for the people they make we know, say, boy, if we need to make the public know who is this man that is there now in Jamaica to kill him. When I go tell him say somebody with him know or somebody him no know and them thing, you understand? We're not going to do that. Some people are, you get your information and them thing. Yeah, same like how we get other information through various means. And when I go tell you various means. The same way when time Baby Chump, Peter Bunting and Kevin Tiliba Roberts, them bring the boy Guy Philippi from Haiti to kill the Prime Minister last year, Andrew Holness. Yes man, and the same way we get all of the information. Hear the man all call all our names, say all kind of thing. It's on the channel. And then some people say, boy, you didn't know Jamaica. We're not going to answer that and we're not going to tell you none of them things there. I just saw it go. Yes, we love to work on them things there. So moving on. So, however, the Jamaica Young Police channel has been instrumental in breaking some of these cycles by calling out criminals and encouraging the public to stand against corruption and lawlessness. However, the revelation of an individual's identity in such high-stakes situation should ideally be handled by law enforcement. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has the authority to investigate, arrest, and bring criminals to justice. If the Jamaican Young Police channel were to reveal the name, it could complicate police investigations or even tip the alleged hitman, allowing him to flee or retaliate. The channel could use its influence to put pressure on law enforcement to act more swiftly or transparently rather than publicly outing the individual themselves. So this would strike a balance between holding authorities accountable and ensuring that justice is served through the proper channel. Alright, so we just give Vybz Kartel a little memory on them thing there. You see the 4 people them were dead are passed forth where Tesha Min and that thing didn't know say you authorize a killing there. Yes, although you make them kill on the people feet, people still have them family. Yes. So the role of the media in shaping public perception, media play a pivotal role in shaping how the public perceive crime and justice. The Jamaican Young Police channel has a responsibility to ensure that it doesn't contribute to the already volatile atmosphere by releasing and verifying premature information. It could stir public outrage or panic or even cause innocent people to be targeted if the information turns out to be wrong or incomplete. As we can tell you right here, the Jamaica Young Police channel always all about the truth and nothing but the truth. So that's all you get. So the channel could focus on reporting the facts surrounding the alleged plot without revealing the name prematurely. By doing this, they continue to inform the public without putting anyone at unnecessary risk. They could also encourage public dialogue on the deeper issues of corruption, violence and justice. In Jamaica, all these matters should be addressed by the authorities. So, in Jamaica, you have potential backlash and consequences. If the Jamaica Young Police channel were to reveal the name of the person who was either innocent or involved in a more complex situation, the backlash could be significant. Because some people have said, boy, much people you met dead or not. No, hey, look here. If we not put things out there against people, and without verification, you understand? This 100% solid. We're not going to put 101. No, we are telling you 100% solid information. So there could be legal consequences for the channel itself, and it might lose credibility if it's seen as being reckless or with sensitive information. Additionally, there's potential for the situation to escalate into more violence, further destabilizing the country's fragile social fabric. The public might call for accountability if the revelation leads to unintended consequences. The responsibility of such a revelation extends far just beyond naming the individual. It requires a broader consideration of what happens afterward, both in the court of law and in the court of public opinion. So we say the Jamaica Young Police Channel are duty to act responsibility, thoughtfully when handling sensitive information like the identity of a man allegedly paid to kill Vybz Kartel. Yes, so while the public may be eager for answers, the consequences of prematurely releasing such information could be dire. The channel would be better served by cooperating with law enforcement, encouraging accountability and fostering dialogue around the broader issue of crime and justice, rather than risking further harm by naming the individual themselves. So Vybz Kartel, him know the person, the person where the 4 people them, may I tell you, the 4 people them, where they the passage foot, you understand? And then Vybz Kartel make them kill 2 of the killer them and them thing, but that, you have to understand, say, it's a year calling. You understand? So public trust in media outlets come from their ability to balance truth-telling with responsibility. In this case, caution, careful consideration and collaboration with the authorities may be the wisest course of action. So as we tell you before and we'll say it again, Vybz Kartel, life in a danger. So him must feel like say boy people forget. It's over really 100 murder Vybz Kartel involved in Jamaica. Not even Dudos, Zeeks and all of them people that kill the amount of people like him. Vybz Kartel are one of the most, even the Special Brand said, same did more, him was smarter, but he more dangerous than Walde, that was killed by the police. So we make sure the Vybz Kartel make sure align himself with the PMP criminal organization, intertwined, although at one point, he was, at one point in time, you know, when Vybz Kartel in him prime, you know, before he got prison, you know, Porsche, you want Vybz Kartel to give them money, you know, he not give them, you know. Yeah, but now see him out there upon the stage, so we'll just let you know that. So Vybz Kartel, as I say, you have to always watch your back on them thing there. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.